Don't look now. Bitcoin's been in rally mode, crossing 100,000 today for the first time, as we said, since February. Our Tanaya Macheel joins us now with more on that. I don't necessarily want to call it a stealth move, but there hasn't been as much focus on it lately because everybody's been fixated on the stock market and these trade deals.
Yeah, absolutely, Scott. Someone I spoke to this morning calling the move back over 100K a reaffirmation of its status as the ultimate bounce back ability asset. Yeah, a lot of uncertainty in the market. The move in Bitcoin did start overnight when President Trump first announced that there was going to be a deal on trade between the U.S. and the U.K. So definitely interesting to see that back above 100K, lifting all other crypto assets, especially cryptocurrencies that have really been lagging Bitcoin this year. Coinbase up 5%, roughly 5%, and some other news in Coinbase, it agreeing to acquire Deribit earlier this morning. That's a major crypto derivatives exchange based in Dubai for $2.9 billion, a deal comprising $700 million in cash and 11 million shares of Class A common stock. That's expected to close by the end of the year. Scott, three things that are interesting on that deal. The size is number one. This is the largest deal in the crypto industry to date. Two is the structure of the deal. It's cash and stock, so Coinbase should have bandwidth to make other acquisitions if they see good opportunity. As of December 31st, the company had about $8.5 billion in cash on its balance sheet. And finally, Scott, the international strategy. It's important for Coinbase to diversify revenue, of course, but trading is how they make most of their money, and derivatives are a huge part of this market. So Deribit did over $1 trillion in volume last year. It has about $30 billion of current open interest on the platform. Not only that, while Coinbase is the biggest crypto exchange in the U.S., it has a smaller share of the global crypto market, so they may be poised now to become an international leader and potentially take on big players like Binance. Scott?
Tanaya, good stuff. Thank you. Tanaya Macheel. Weiss, you bought more, I bet.
I did. Again, to get market exposure. The momentum was undeniable, so I bought it below 90, and I'm riding it. I think it's got real legs now. We haven't heard anything about regulation lately. That will come. So I'm going to stay there for a little bit. Momentum dies, I'll reconsider.
You own it as well, right?
75 basis point position in portfolios. It's really an alpha play. This thing can really start to get going. It's good running into some resistance at the end of January level. The House is moving to pass to vote on a bill about pegging some cryptocurrencies against or stablecoins against the dollar. So that's to be interesting to see. But I personally do own some Solana, and if that gets going, I think there could be that's an interesting space.
You're going to get a Schwab announcement on crypto and brokerage accounts in the second half of this year. I think that's what they said. That's another tidal wave. In the meanwhile, you got 30 million users on Robinhood, and Robinhood makes most of its money in options and crypto. So the more that they show crypto to the people that are in it, and the more those people make money, the more they continue to allocate toward it. It's one of these things. It's a flywheel at this point. You've got the ETF companies as well. There are 15 of them. They all make a ton of money on their crypto products. There's no real fee compression thing happening there like there is in stock. So almost everybody benefits from crypto remaining buoyant and very much in the view of retail investors and institutional investors. If you have a theory as to why that might stop tomorrow, go ahead and get bearish. I don't know why it's a money machine for everyone involved. Why would it stop?